Now, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre is a good film, but in my country, this is the DVD you get. Complete shit. So I went to Amazon and I ordered this. The Ultimate Edition. It's beautiful in all its glory, as you can see. It comes with a 2-disc set. Shut up, I'm reviewing! Okay, it comes with this booklet, 2-disc set, tin case. Beautiful. Now, for my country, this is the only legal version you can buy. I'm gonna smash this thing just for the viewers out there. Let's smash this bitch. Fuck you! Cheap, shitty fucking country we live in. So, America's beautiful disc. My country! Fuck this shit country and their shit fucking packages. That's right. Fuck you, you fucking shithole country. Fuck this country. Fuck it. Fuck that shit packaging. Fuck. 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 Shut the fuck up. I'm stabbing this shit. Oh, fuck. God. Fuck you! So, this beautiful game, and my shitty fucking country. Fuck it! Go America. Your DVDs are beautiful. My country, complete shit. Go USA with that DVD.